Including a main coat or layer of the Guinea gives a whitish appearance to the retinor. Ito yun. Tunica albuginea. Okay, so that's the external covering of your
Kumakatulak naman.
stem. Internally. There are 120. Wala na yun dito sa model. So when you remove the tunica albuginea and dissect it, you will find the internal anatomy of the testes. There are 120 seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules. This is responsible for
Tony, ulo.
spermatozoa production or sperm cell production. Per ejaculation, there has to be more than 300 million of sperm cells per ejaculation per day. Less than 20 million sperm cells per ejaculation will result to sterility. Maliwanag ba? Again, the maximum, daily average ejaculation for sperm cells is 300 million. 300 million per ejaculation per day. Per ejaculation, it measures about half teaspoon to 1 tablespoon only. So, yung ganun kakonti, milyones ang nilalabas na cell. If you have a low sperm count, less than 20 million, then that will result to a disease known as sterility. Here, and the cell responsible for the production of those spermatozoa is your seminiferous tubules. Here, in between those seminiferous tubules, where it is connected to a lobule, there are about 15 to 20 of them. It's what we call the interstitial latex cells. The interstitial latex cells is responsible for the production of your sex hormone, testosterone, and your androgen. But this cell can only be stimulated to release this hormone by your FSH and LH, which is stimulated by what organ? Anterior pituitary gland. Siyempre, nakalimutan na. Okay? Here. Okay, for the normal appearance of the sperm cell or spermatozoa, please refer to the plate that I asked you to observe sa likod ng manual ninyo. There are 3 parts, normal appearance of your spermatozoa, namely the head, the midpiece, and the tail. Can I borrow one lab manual, please?